Number one is patient. Number two is your company. I wanted to start with the last message of which is basically the verse 28. This is how you stay strong in your deen. Don't say, I'm not going to get affected. You will be. Nobody will not get affected. Every time I see a girl or a woman, all her company, she is the only one who wears hijab. And everybody around her doesn't. Unless she is extremely strong, gradually, you see the hijab changes. You all are nodding your head. So basically, or let's say you are with people who don't pray and you're the only person who pray. You're the only person who go to the masjid. And the negative, you're the only boy and all your friends does A, B, C, D, E, F, G of the haram. First step in the change, you know what? You will accept it. The first step in the change is not, you're not going to do it yet. You're going to accept it. You start defending it. Now, first, I accept. Second, I defend. I justify them, what they are doing. Third, I will start debating. And fourth, illa ma rahima rabbi, I will end up the same thing. This is why you want to stay strong in your deen. When we talk about community, I'm not talking about people who speak the same language or people who eat the same food. Those are beautiful community, but that's not necessarily the people who's going to keep me strong. The real community I and you need as Muslims living in the West, living in the time of temptations, is you surround yourself with the people who are definitely ahead of you in your deen. And you are jealous of them. She can do this. If she can do it, I can do it. But don't surround yourself with the people who are 50-50 or no. You will be weak. This is, again, I'm going to read again the verse 28. Remember, I told you Al-Kahf has 4 main stories and in between a complete different story. Every story at the end of the story is the summary. Because normally, okay, this is the problem. What I'm going to do about it? Okay, I'm tested in my deen. What I'm going to do about it? So for you as a person, I've said this many times, I remind usually the youth. Maybe here is not, maybe in Irvine, but there's places where this girl is the only one who wears hijab. Is that the boy is the only boy in this 1,000 school that he doesn't have a girlfriend, or he doesn't vape, or and don't look at me as this is not real. This is real. This is everywhere. What can this boy do, or this young girl does, or me and you? Because we are failing also. You live here longer, we get numb. It's norm.